Right now I'm also working on a crack in the front bumper of the Stingray, the 75 Corvette. This is poly flex filler right here. Sanded down. I'm still working on it right now, but I'll probably do the same thing with this. 2 coats of adhesion promoter, 2 or 3 coats of flex primer, and then probably spray the base coat down with I don't know if I'll use Automotive Touch Up spray cans or actually put it in a spray gun. It's an awfully small part, but I'll see. Then I use the Spray Max high gloss clear coat for small areas like this one right here. On anything plastic like the bumper covers, I used 2 coats of adhesion promoter, 3 coats of flexible SEM 39133 flexible primer surfacer. For anything plastic or rubber, I use this. And then 3 coats of base coat on the plastic parts. And to spray on any of the fiberglass, I use this purple gun from Harbor Freight. I paid like 19 bucks for it, and it worked really nice for me. It will not. One thing about this gun, it will not spray primer. You'd have to buy the more expensive. I think they sell a $49 gun that'll spray primer